Welcome back. Not my usual Sunday upload, but I thought I would give anyone who's following this project a quick update on the Lupo project. So if you watched the last video, you'll have seen me at a bit of a dilemma whether I fix all the problems or just sell the car on and pass it on to somebody else. Well, I've got the answer. So the answer for the Lupo is to double down and fix the problems, of course. I wasn't sure if I was going to fix the problems. I thought it could get too expensive, and obviously the point of my projects at this point is that I need to make some money on them at the end to make them worth doing, and obviously to go into the next project. But with this Lupo, I didn't really have it in me to just give up on it. I don't know if I'll make any money at the end of this, because they're not expensive fixes, but then it's not super cheap to do either. It's probably going to bring me in, another 200 odd quid into the car. So whether I make any money at the end, I don't know, but I just couldn't give up on it. And not only am I not giving up on it, I've given myself a really tight timeline to try and do it, and I'll tell you why in just a minute. So one of the main fixes obviously needs to be that gearbox oil seal. Also, the exhaust is blowing and these front shock absorbers needed replacing before I could even consider getting it into an MOT. So I have started already doing the gearbox oil change and seal replacement, but you'll see that in a totally different video. So obviously I was trying to keep the costs down for this project, so I did a bit of shopping around on Facebook and I managed to find some brand new second-hand standard shocks with lowering springs on and the top mounts, all for 35 quid plus 25 quid in fuel. So Chris, if you watch this, you're an absolute legend, because Chris actually drove them from somewhere up north of Birmingham to my father-in-law's house, where I'm actually going this weekend, and I'm going to pick them up and then get them on the car over the weekend. So with regards to fixing the exhaust, that's actually going to go to the garage to make sure it's done properly, because I don't want to risk any chance that there's a leak or I didn't tighten something right, so that when it goes for the MOT, it is done properly. And the reason that I'm giving myself just over a week to do this is that there is a Lupo meeting at Caffeine and Machine on the 17th of May, which is next Friday. Today is Thursday the 9th? 8th? 9th? Either way, I got just over a week to fix it and see if we can get it through an MOT and get it to Caffeine and Machine for that Lupo meeting. There's obviously still a few other little bits to just figure out. I mean, I've got to fix them window switches. I have got the new ones, so you'll see that go into the next video. And obviously, if I'm going to take it to a car meet, it's going to need a really good clean. I know I've done the inside once, but I'll probably do a full detail on the inside and the outside. And of course, get them headlights nice and clear again, because they are very yellow. So I am most certainly not giving up on this Lupo, and hopefully I get it all done before next Friday so that I can take it to the Lupo event. If you are interested in Lupos, then, I mean, you probably already know about the event, but it is a free ticketed event at Caffeine and Machine up in Stratford-upon-Avon. If you're an enthusiast and you go in, then maybe I'll see you there. If you're an enthusiast and you didn't know about it, then check it out and head over there. But hopefully I get it all done and I get it there and there's no issues on the way. So stay tuned and find out if I make it there. Thanks for watching.